Okay, guys, example number 2. Now, this one has two terms. Oh, it has 5 times a minus 3, and it has negative 2a times 3 minus a. Now, this looks almost right, but it's not quite right. What's the problem? What's the problem, Chris? No, that's not it. I mean, these look almost alike, but they're not alike. Gordy?
The A and minus 3 are switched up.
They're switched up. All right, the signs on the second one are flip-flopped. So I'm going to do this. Let's take 3 minus a. I want to rewrite it. I'm going to factor out a negative 1 so I can change all the signs inside the parentheses. So look at this. I'm going to do negative 1. Negative 1 times what gives me positive 3? Miles? Negative 3. Negative 1 times what gives me negative a? Austin? Plus a. Okay? Now, is this the way we would normally write this binomial? How would I normally write this binomial, Jackson? A minus 3. But I've got this negative 1 out here. Do you agree that when I multiply negative 1 times that, I get this? Do you agree they're exactly the same thing? So do you agree that I can rewrite this stuff up here with this in it? I can write 5 times a minus 3 minus 2a times negative 1 times a minus 3. Do you agree? Because this stuff is exactly the same as that. I just took out a negative 1 to make it look the way I wanted it to look. Now, what do both of these terms have in common, Hugh? They both have a minus 3, so I'm going to undistribute it. I'm going to factor it. I'm going to pull the a minus 3 out front. But what does it get multiplied by? What's the other binomial, Troy? No. Devin. 5 plus 2a. Wait a minute, how'd that thing become plus 2a? Because it was minus 2a. CB. Negative 2a times that negative 1 made it positive 2a. Everybody see how that happened? When I've got that, that binomial may look just right, but not quite. The signs are wrong. I can take out the negative 1 and change both of them. Okay? So see if that's something that you can do. All right, good job.